Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel or do not know what it is that I do, I use this spreadsheet to combine the infinite and velocity banking strategies to use real life and made up scenarios to show people what I would do if I was financially in their shoes. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you never miss a video. And if you find value in this video, click the thumbs up button. Today, guys, we are going to look at using a balance transfer from a credit card to pay off debt. So let's go to our random name generator here and see who we will be using today. Kathleen. Kathleen it is. Okay, we have all of Kathleen's bills here. First thing we're going to do is to open a second checking account to use as her budget account. We'll create the budget. Groceries, fuel, work lunches, and miscellaneous will all be part of the budget now. So let's look at her bill breakdown. Okay, so she owes $18,500 on her car, $8,000 on her student loans. So she's 22 years old. You know, she's been making payments for a while now. She has some built up credit. So she is going to apply for credit cards. So let's say she applies for 3 credit cards, all with the 0% balance transfer offer. She has a limit of 5,000 cards. So the first thing she's going to do is she's going to do a balance transfer into her account to these cards for $4,900. So credit card 1, $4,900, $4,900, credit card 3, $4,900. So we'll look at the credit card, and it's going to be a 0% interest rate. On each of these cards. Let's throw a fee in here because you know they're going to charge you. This and credit card 3 with 0% interest on that fee. Okay. Let's run this scenario. So month 1, income $4,000 go in, expenses go out, and she took $4,800 from each credit card. It'll be $14,400 into her checking account. So month 2, when her income comes in, expenses come out, she's going to chunk $15,000 to her card. So let's look at the card. First, let's look at what it would have been. So $18,500, 60 months finance at 4.5%. We'll pay $344.90 all the way down for 60 months. At month 2, she's going to chunk $15,000. She'll make a payment here of $15,000 per car. $15,000 will come out of the checking account. Leaving her at $470 in her account. Month 3, income will come in, expenses out. She's still making that payment on her card every month. It's included in the everyday living, or actually it's included in the debt. So if we go back to the bills page, the car payment is right there included in the debt. So she's still making that minimum payment every month. Month 4, checking account is at $15.93. We're going to take $1,000 out and chunk it to the car. To the car on month 4, make a payment here of $1,000. $1,000 will come out of the checking account. Month 5, month 6, income in, expenses out. We have $1,764. We're going to make another chunk payment to the car. We'll chunk $1,500 to the car. Month 7, take that $1,500 out. $868. The car now, she only owes $135. It's or $136 rather. 136. 136.18 pays the car off. $136.18 will come out of the checking account. Pays the car off. Month 8. Let's go to that bills. So she no longer owes on this car. So her total expenses is $3,471.29. She's paying $440.79 on debt. She no longer has this bill. So now her debt's $95 and reduces her expenses to $3,126. So her income comes in, expenses come out, and her debt is now reduced to only $95 a month. Month 9, month 10, month 11, and on month 12 has $5,632 in her account. So month 12, she's going to go to this credit card 1 and pay it off. So month 12, he's going to pay $3,000. Okay, so currently owes $3,540.70. Pay $3,540.74, leaving a balance of $0. $3,541 will come out of the checking account. Even $2,091. She will then $2,000 credit card 2 make a payment of $2,000. Credit card 2 in month 12 will make a payment $2,000. So another $2,000 will come out, $91.37. So since the year balance transfer offer is up, these credit cards will now go to 26%. So we have credit card 1 paid off. The other 2, since there's no longer a balance transfer, would be a little bit more per month. So month 13, we'll go 2 months to 14. We have $2,352. We're going to go to credit card 2. We're going to make a payment where in month 14 we owe $1,494.52. So $1,495 will come out of the checking account. And in month 15, we have 2,036. We'll make a payment to credit card number 3. Credit card 3, month 15, payment of 2,000. $2,000 will come out the checking account. Month 16, month 17, 2,510. Let's make another payment to that credit card. Payment of 50. We don't leave her completely broke. So month 18. Well, let's take out that 50. 18, she has 1564. Credit card, pay that off. 85. So a card payment that was a card that was going to take 5 years originally to pay off, paid off in 18 months, in a year and a half, doing nothing extra but balance transfer or credit card. So I hope this helped, guys. This is a way to, if you have the credit and you're able to get a balance transfer offer, this is one way where you can pay off debt quicker. Better thing would have been to start your infinite banking if you don't have it. Put the money in there first and then take it out. I just wanted to give you, show you how powerful it can be using a balance transfer. I'll leave a link in the description below to my course, as well as a copy of this Excel. This is a modified version, so it won't be quite like this, but it'll be the main version. If you like that, I'll leave a link in the description below. Okay guys, I hope this helped. I will see you in the next video.